Happy microphone. Happy Monday, everyone. Today is Monday, May 14th, and we are rapidly approaching the end of the school year. This week, there are no live classes because we have Keystone exams happening, which means staff is traveling all over the state to meet up with you guys to take some state assessments. So, nothing on the docket for today. Tomorrow, in place of live class, you will have a TED Talk on putting financial aid in the bag. And then the rest of the week, we're talking about who's paying for college and some financial aid vocabulary. So just to get you thinking about the different ways that you can pay for college. And then we'll wrap up the week with a little birdseed on perspective and positive thinking. So I hope you all have a wonderful week. If you need anything, try and text me. I will be out of range tomorrow and Wednesday, but I'll be back in the building on Thursday and Friday. So if you need me, text me or email me, and I will respond as soon as I can. Have a fabulous week.